Have you ever been watching Lookism and just been blown away by Zack Lee? I mean, seriously, how does he move with that insane combination of speed and raw power? It's like watching a hurricane in human form. You see him take hit after hit, and then just explode with a counter that sends his opponent flying. It's absolutely captivating, and it makes you wonder, could I ever move like that? Could I ever have that kind of resilience? Well, the secret isn't some superpower. It's a combination of two incredible disciplines, boxing and his signature Iron Fortress defense. It's not just about throwing punches. It's a beautifully brutal dance of timing, rhythm, and an unbreakable will. His boxing gives him the speed, the footwork, the devastating offensive power. But it's that Iron Fortress that makes him a true monster in the ring. It's the ability to take a punch, absorb the impact, and stay standing, ready to fight back. And here's the best part. You don't need a fancy gym membership or a professional boxing ring to start building your own foundation. You don't need expensive gear. All you need is right here, your own body, a focused mindset, and the most important ingredient of all, consistency. The journey to becoming a beast like Zack starts with the simplest, most fundamental steps. Let's begin with the basics of his offensive style, shadowboxing. Forget about hitting a bag for now. Find some open space, get into your fighting stance, and just move. Focus on your footwork, feel the rhythm, bounce on the balls of your feet, moving forward, backward, side to side. Imagine an opponent in front of you. Now, let your shoulders get into it. A good punch doesn't just come from the arm. It's a full body movement that starts from your feet, travels up through your core, and explodes from your shoulder. Practice your jabs, your crosses, your hooks. Keep it light, keep it fluid. This isn't about power yet. It's about building muscle memory in a natural flow. Once you're comfortable with the movement, it's time to build the wall. Let's work on the Iron Fortress. Bring your hands up to guard your face, elbows tucked in tight to your body. This is your shield. Now, tighten your core. Really engage those abdominal muscles like you're bracing for impact. The key to the Iron Fortress isn't having skin made of steel. It's about dispersing the force of a blow through a strong, stable core. Stand in front of a mirror in your guard. Imagine someone is throwing punches at you. Don't flinch. Don't back away. Hold your ground. Absorb those imaginary hits. Feel the tension in your core. Practice this repeatedly. This drill builds incredible stability and teaches your body how to instinctively protect itself. Remember Zack's mantra. It's not about how hard you can punch. It's about how long you can stand after being hit. That is the essence of true strength and resilience. Now, let's put it all together. Combine the shadowboxing with the Iron Fortress drills. Move around, throw your combinations, and then, in an instant, tighten up and brace for a counterattack. Flow from offense to defense and back again. This is where the real magic happens. This is how you develop the reactive speed and toughness that makes Zack so formidable. The most crucial part of this training is consistency. You don't have to spend hours every day. Even just 15 minutes of dedicated practice, every single day, will build a powerful habit and yield incredible results over time. It's about making that small commitment to yourself. Some days you'll feel strong and fast. Other days you'll feel sluggish and unmotivated. Train anyway. That's how you build not just physical strength but mental fortitude. Because this training is about more than just learning to fight. It's a metaphor for life. Life is going to throw punches at you. It's going to test you, knock you down, and see if you'll stay down. This training teaches you to be ready. It teaches you how to block those hits, how to stand firm when things get tough, and most importantly, how to find the strength to counter and rise again, stronger than before. So, are you ready to start your journey? Are you ready to build your own Iron Fortress? Start today. Just 15 minutes. Because one day, when life throws its toughest challenges at you, you won't just survive. You'll be ready to block, counter, and win. Thank you so much for watching and training with me today. If you found this helpful and want more content like this, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Now go get after it, and I'll see you in the next video.